Hi, puppy dog. So what are you doing? See, I'm out here loving on people who look at machines. Hi, folks. I got something neat for you today. I'm over at Dong's place. This is Dong. Hi, Dong.
Hi.
Dong called me. I met him a couple years ago at a Richard King scraping class held out at my shop. And he called and said, I'm in over my head. I've bought something that I shouldn't have bought. My wife's going to kill me, and my dog doesn't love me anymore. Will you please come get this piece of iron out of my shop? Well, I don't have a place to put it. So he wants it gone. And the cost is really good, like free. He paid $4,000 for it. Then paid $1,000 for a rigger to bring it over here and put it in his garage. And frankly, it's just a little bit too much for him. The head has been taken off. It's a Tree Journeyman 425, about 1995
probably.
He thinks it's got DC servos running the thing. Some of the ways and everything, he cleaned them up a little bit, and they look pretty good on the back there and the knee. Of course, that one always looks good. This is a picture of the bottom. It's got a ground ball screw, you say? And you've got all the electronics for it, correct?
Yeah, I took the electric box out. I keep the drivers and the original control.
Okay.
I don't know if it's still working or not.
So the electric box is gone, for the three-phase electric box?
Oh, I have the thing still here, but just the gigantic box, I just throw it away because that's taking too much
Okay,
space.
so you got all the parts that were in
Yes.
it and could be
Yes.
assembled in something else.
Yeah, I get
Or
it.
you could just make it converted over to something like an acorn system,
Yeah.
which is what I would probably do. It's got some of the stuff down here. This was a working machine when you bought it, right?
Yeah, they claims to be.
He claimed to
I never
be.
tested.
You never tested it. Well, let me go around here. There's the drive cards for it. This is Dong's little home shop. He likes to rebuild stuff like I do. It's wood things. CNC. Joiners. He just sold this little Harjan second operation lathe, but back to what we were doing. Here's the front end of this. It's already up on a pallet that much, and the rest of it is sitting up here on some 3x3s. Had to take it apart to get it in here. My friend the dog is really happy to see me. See if we can look up under here with any success. What kind of tool system does it have?
I think it is a 40 taper.
40 taper?
Okay.
Mr. Dog, can I look under here, please? Thank you. Do you have any tools with it?
No.
No tools. It says it's 3-axis, and that's for the knee. I don't see any really big scrape. Now, as to getting it out of here, I personally think, seeing as how it's free, you could afford a small forklift rental to come and get it. It's got a couple of 1.5-inch step downs coming out, and then it goes to, let me go around and show you the entrance way here. You need a bigger shop.
Yeah.
You need Don to come over, build you a bigger shop in addition. Well, as you,
Maybe when I retire, I will move to somewhere remote.
yeah. The way it's going, you could probably work from home for the rest of our lives. So, I think bringing a trailer in here of any size is going to mess up the grass. And it's a pretty tight turn to get something in here. Like, there's the Rock 2 for comparison. Putting my 20-footer in here would be very hard. And then you come up this way and have to turn in to get to that. Personally, I think renting a forklift would be the best way to go. You could pick that right up, come out the door, take it out to the street, load it up. Bob's your uncle. All right, well, there's another look at it. Let me see if I can look under this side. I think it's worth it for the scrap value, guys. Just, well, my fat finger doesn't come with it. I like this.
Yeah, that was the original
For the monitor?
Yeah, that's huge. I just throw that away.
All right, a Journeyman 425, free for the taking. Don, give me how you want to be contacted. Go stand over there out of the glare. Okay, we figured this out. Don would like for you to email him, and I'll put that little email address somewhere in the video so you can see it and the spam bots won't find it. First come, first serve. Thank you, Don.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.